about what different ways we learned how to work together and how to learn to work together now that it was different. I learned how to work together, listen, and listening to other people's.
I forget which one I wrote, but I learned how to use Tinkercad and Scratch a lot better, and um it's fun. We made and it was really fun making things with my group, and now I use them a lot more than I did.
I also learned how to building, like working together and going out of your comfort zone to build things. In Tinkercad, all of us work together, figuring out ways to help and build each other.
I learned how to work together with my group a lot better too.
I learned how to make stuff on Tinkercad and Scratch.
So we hadn't were put in different spots, and we all built our own robots, and we couldn't choose if like what robot we would be able to use, right? So we put all the robots together, and we figured out a robot like this. So the top is the head and face. Um, it's solar powered, and it helps the batteries move the motor to move the wheels. The the arms can move and grab things, and the wheels are movable.
We kind of combined the names of our two different robots. They were Copperhead and Tulip.
Okay.
Or three. Or that was one too.
If you go to the top, you can be able to see the solar power and the motors and the battery. In Scratch, it was 2D instead of 3D, so we weren't really able to build that much.
That's great.
We got our ideas together. First, we kind of made our own bots, and then we couldn't choose which one we were going to make. So then there was an idea of putting it all together. And then when we got an idea of putting it all together, we came up with this robot. The top and the head were made by a group, and the arms and wheels were made by two other groups. And we combined it all things together, and we made a car-ish robot.
We really just said what we wanted to do.
We all were like on Zoom, so we were coordinating with each other, and we told each other what we want to like size down and make bigger and go higher and lower and stuff like that.
Great.
We also kind of put what we wanted on, and then I kind of put it on, and also other people put it on too. And we asked and told each other, like, if we didn't want that part there, we could put it over here, and let somebody else who put it on agree with it or disagree.
Mm.
The solar power kind of works with the battery and motor. So the solar power, if it's like outside, it would get solar power, then this power would go into the battery. The battery would charge up the motors, which go to the wheels and make it move. So it can move forward, backwards, up and down into different places. I guess it could be used for more cleaning because there's a lot of trash around and people don't want to pick up things and they just leave stuff. So it could be another robot to go outside cleaning and helpful robot in machine companies and things like swimming, I guess, if we were able to change the wheels and put like paddles and everything, it would be able to also help with the trash problems in the world.
Sure. Our robot, we made it like a robot, but at the same time, it was like a bunny. So we put bunny ears, and we added a tail and made the whole body white. And we tried to make a carrot nose.
Bache-Martin.
Bache-Martin!
Woo!